everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to make tracing name activity through MS Word. But before that, I would like to thank Anzarina Barrientos for asking me on how to do this. So first of all, you're going to open a window. Of course, it can be private or not. And then I want you to type Freak Fonts .com. freakfonts.com. Enter. And now I want you to look for the fonts that you wish to have. Like for example this one, the printed dotted lined. So how are you gonna download this one is you're gonna click download here, right here, and just wait for 10 seconds for it to download. And if it's done, can you see it's downloading already? And click it if it's done downloading and click the install button here. Can you see it? Click install. Since I have downloaded it, so it was asking me if I want to replace it or not. And I would say yes. And now it's installing. Now if you're done installing, you can close it and go to MS Word and find this one. Find the font that you have downloaded, and I want you to write whatever you want to write. Like for example, my name. Like that. It's as easy as that. You can make it centered or whatever. And if you want a lot of it, so click, you can copy it. Paste, 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 until it's all full. See? You just made a whole bond paper of your name. So it's easy to trace their names now and practice how to write their names without any hassle stuff already. So easy. That's it. If you like it, if you have liked it, you can subscribe to my channel here. You can subscribe to my channel. Teacher Jade Marie Suelto for more tutorials and more videos. And you can also join my page, my group page on Facebook, Teacher Sai and Jade. Thank you. Hopefully you enjoyed my video today. Bye.